Want to say hi, Zai? Say hi. Say hi. What's today? What's today, Zai? Say December the 17th? And it is dark and rainy. Very cloudy. That's why it's so dark in here. It's really bright, but it's really dark. Hi. Hey, we just wanted to come and say hi. Look, Zai. Zai. Where's all the fuzzies? You got bed head? Stay up, because I just woke up. Because I just woke up. Where you going? Are you being silly? You see the kids in there acting up? They need to go to sleep. Yeah, they do. They didn't take a nap. No. Who's crying? Lee. Lee is crying. Lee is crying. What's the matter with Leah? And she's coughing. Say hi. Look. What you have? Is that for medicine? Is that for medicine? You have the medicine cup too, and the syringe? And I better not take it from you, right? And there's a fly flying around my head. Can I have that? No, of course not. So what are we doing? Where are you going? Are you walking off the bed? So, not really doing too much today, as you can tell. I'm screaming kiddos. It's too cold to go out. They haven't had a nap, but that's my reality. What's the matter? Oh, they're fighting over sticky hands. That's what it is. I don't want to give them anything else to do because they really need to take a nap.
Let's go.
It's almost ready. Go back and play for a little bit. And I've got dinner in the oven. I'll probably come back and do a dinner vlog. But that is what they're waiting on. They wake up in the morning waiting on dinner. So that's the best meal of the day to them. Not really. But they like to get up and play in the morning rather than eat breakfast. So then they're hungry when it's time to actually take a nap. This around here. Crazy here today. So they just have to sit and wait it out. Or they'll sit and ask for a bunch of snacks, which I won't give them. Oh, excuse me. What are you doing? Are you playing with a video? She's over there playing with the Little Mermaid video. What are you doing? Sigh. Sigh. Diane. Let me get by her, baby. Thank you. Cyan. Where's your baby? Baby. Keep you in here. Here's your baby. See? You don't want your baby? Oh, you want to give your baby some medicine. Good job, Mama. Good job. See, she takes care of her babies. Oh, now you want the medicine? Give your baby some more medicine. You want to take all the medicine from her? You watching the dog? You want to see the light? There we go. What's that? Is it purple? Is it green? Is it red? Oh, look at you, real fancy, pushing the buttons. She thinks she's a grown woman, y'all. I see the stars on your shirt and on your face. And the reason they're not going to be in this video is because they won't keep the clothes on. It's freezing around here, but they run around in their underwear and panties. They were all dressed because we went out today for a little bit. And they came home and took everything off. And every time they get dressed, or I make them get dressed, they ask where we're going. Even if we're not going anywhere, they have this idea that they only need to get dressed if we're going somewhere. My kids. Which sometimes, most of the time, I don't mind because that's a lot less laundry. Because laundry with just these 4, oh my gosh. I hear people complain about their laundry and I'm like, you have no idea. See, they have no idea. They're wearing clothes, an outfit a day, PJs, and most of the times they will change their clothes for, oh, I got my hands wet in the bathroom and my shirt got wet, a drop of water. And then they all do the same thing, and same thing with PJs. They get their PJs on, and, oh, I had to go to the bathroom, I washed my hands, and my shirt got wet. So they're changing them and throwing them around, and I'm trying to pick them up because I know they're still clean, and if they know they're wet, they're like, no, they're wet, and they're dirty. So, yeah.
Just for me.
It does, but let her play with that. Layla, please get down. Okay, you just get down. Get down. You cannot be in this video. Get down. Get down.
I'm being this.
Go put your clothes back on. Layla, down.
I can be without my clothes.
You need a shirt if you want to be in the video. No, Streaker. Turn the light back on, Layla. It's too dark. So I can be in the video.
You have to get the video. Yes.
I see. All right. Back to me. Uh-oh. Sitting in front of the window. I don't think that really helps. Nope, it doesn't. It makes it worse. It is getting darker. Wow, it's really dark. Oh boy. This happens when I decide to do an impromptu video. What? Oh, you ran and grabbed some clothes, huh?
Yeah, what? A ladybug.
A ladybug? Ladybug. Can I see your ladybug? Where's your ladybug, guys? Ladybug? Hi.
Hi. Hi, Diane.
Hi, Diane. You need help. You go ask Justice to put it on you. You almost have it. If you put your arm in there. No, one arm. That arm is turn it around. Then you can put that arm in. There you go. Yes. So it's freezing. He goes and grabs a mustard shirt. He grabs a tank top and some shorts. But they both put on the same colors. That's twins for you. Are you a twin?
Yeah.
When you finish, you go put those clothes back in the drawer because they're not dirty, right?
No.
Did you leave it in your room? Come here, Layla. You need help? Well, go check the closet.
I can do it by myself.
You can do it by yourself? Okay. Now you can get up here and sit right there by Leah. By Zion. No, ma'am. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Layla.
How old are you?
4.
Do you know any songs?
Yeah.
Sing a song.
Can't.
You can.
I see the moon and the moon sees me. God bless the moon and God bless I am.
Yay. I see the moon and the moon sees me. God bless the moon and God bless Zion. Yay. God bless Zion. Go check your drawer. Are you having a fit? Go check your drawer where you picked up shorts and shirts.
This is red. I want some spice. You what's looking for that? You shut up.
Leah, don't tell him to shut up.
No.
You little smarty pants.
I'm smarty pants.
Where's the other sticky hand?
The moon.
Sticky hand. Where's the other one?
He doesn't know.
He doesn't know. Oh, you know what? Zion has it. Tariq, come here. Zion has it. Zion, give me this. Zion had it. You got it back. You didn't get a sticky hand. Here, let's let Leah play with this a minute, because she doesn't have one. Let Leah play with it. Layla. Oh my goodness. You just did so good singing a song. Come here. Let Leah play with it. Okay? Look, she will give it back in a minute. Layla, relax. Come here. Calm down. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah. Calm down. Look at yourself. You see yourself a little bit? Well, we rather this than the thumb. Although I have caught her with a thumb. You feel better? You need a nap, right? Where's your present?
No.
You don't know what your presents are?
Stop.
What are you playing with? Put it on the bed so I can see it.
This.
Yeah. Where's the rest of the gears? With this little gears and lights. Let me see you turn it.
Sit down some wrong way. See, no, not like that.
You can see yourself.
Leave it like that.
She's giving it back. I need to go check dinner in a few minutes. Okay. Can Leah see the red one while you're playing with the gears and lights? Please. Can she see that one? Sai, what do you have? Uh-oh. You okay?
Yeah.
You're right. In the video. Now we're having meltdowns. Are you rolling eyes over there?
Mama's one missing.
Layla, let her see. It's probably still on the
Mama's
table.
one missing.
Is one missing? It's probably still on Time's changing table. We'll find it.
No.
Yeah. We'll find it. It's got to be up there. Let's see.
Here's mine.
Yeah, that's what this is.
I'm gonna get this.
Layla, what are you doing?
I know.
I couldn't hear you. Sorry. What are you doing, Layla?
I know.
Push the button. Now talk. Talk. Push the button and then talk.
Yeah.
Talk.
Mom, I'm gonna do it. Mom, oh, here's the other
There's
one.
the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, but it's still one missing. That's the one I said that's on the changing table. I believe it's up there. It's probably under those jeans. We'll get them. Forget it. Are you playing with the walkie-talkie?
I'm gonna do it.
Layla. And it's getting dark now. We're going to have to end the video because it's getting really dark now.
Layla.
Look, hold it down. Hold it in and then talk. Talk.
Mom, this one doesn't work. You have to take it back to school.
It does work. I keep telling you, you have to hold the button down.
No.
See, you hear the static, right?
No.
When you hold the button down, you don't hear static.
No, the policeman's on that one.
Yeah, we did hear the policeman on here, right?
So I can use that.
That was this morning.
Mom,
Maybe we should have got it out when the accident was outside, and maybe we could have heard the police, right? They were calling for help. We should have had them on there.
Mom, that one doesn't work.
It does work.
No, they took the cord out of it.
It has batteries in it. I'm talking on it.
No.
You are so funny. We got walkie-talkies and learning how to use them. So, okay, we're going to have to cut the video because look, it got a lot darker. And nobody can see us. I don't think they want to just hear us. See how dark it is now?
Oh, they can't see.
No, they can't see us. We'll have to come back tomorrow. We'll come make a video tomorrow.
Yeah.
You say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching us.
Thanks for watching. Can I push that button?
The button is right here.